Hello dear students, now we will see exercise in maths workbook for chapter number 4 tick tick tick. And dear students, while you watch this video, you keep your workbook along with it and do the exercise. See the first question, which is the correct time as shown in the clock? Put circle around it. So here some clocks are given to us and different times, three times for each clock is given to us. We have to put a circle around the correct time. See the first clock, what is time? So here hour hand is on 3 and minute hand is on 12. So what is time is it? Yes, it is 3 o'clock. So we have to put circle on 3 o'clock. Then the second clock. Hour hand is on 5 and minute hand is on 7. Hour hand is not exact on 5, it is between 5 and 6. Means it is already 5 o'clock but not 6 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock and after 5 o'clock some minutes passed. So how many minutes over after 5 o'clock? So we have to start from 12 to 1. 12 to 1, 5 minutes. Then 5 minutes means 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35 minutes. It is 5 o'clock and 35 minutes. So we have to put circle on 5:35. So now dear students, when we have to count the minutes, we have to speak table of 5. That already we learned in standard 3rd. Okay. So now this third clock is given to us and in that clock our hand is very close to 7. Means it is between 7 and 8 and the minute hand is on 3. Okay. So we have to speak table of 5 till 3. And the hour hand is between 7 and 8 means it is 7 o'clock and after 7 o'clock some minutes are passed and the minute hand is on 3 means how many minutes passed? 5 3s are 15 means it is 7 o'clock and 15 minutes. Yes, it is here we have to make circle on 7:15. Here also see, after 7 we can see our hand and the minute hand is on 2. So we have to speak table of 5 till 2 because see here from 12 to 1 5 minutes and 1 to 2 other 5 minutes means total how many minutes? 5 plus 5 10. So when the minute hand is on 2, we have to speak table of 5 till 2 means 5 2s are 10. It's 7 o'clock and 10 minutes. Yes, it's here 7:10. So we have to put circle on 8. Then see here. Here our hour hand is between 4 and 5. That means it is already 4 o'clock and after 4 o'clock some minutes passed. So how many minutes passed? Here a minute hand is on 5. So we have to speak table of 5 till 5 to know the minutes. So 5 5s are 25. So it is already 4 o'clock and 25 minutes. So we make circle on 4:25. Yes, it's here. So make circle on 8. Then here our hand is between 10 and 11 means it is already 10 o'clock, not 11 o'clock because our hand did not reach on 11. it is between 10 and 11 means it is 10 o'clock, and after 10 o'clock some minutes passed. So to know how many minutes, we have to see the minute hand. Minute hand is on 9. So we have to speak table of 5 till 9. So 5 nines are 45. So it is 12 o'clock and 45 minutes. Where is it? 10 o'clock and 45. Yes, it's here. So we put circle on it. 10 o'clock and 45 minutes. Then question number 2. Draw the hour hand and minute hand in the following clock dials as per the time mentioned for each. Means here time is given to us and we have to draw hour hand and minute hand. Okay. So hour hand means short hand and minute hand means long hair. Here we have to show first time 3 o'clock and 10 minutes. Okay. So 3 o'clock hour hand on 3 o'clock and 10 minutes. 10 minutes means 2 5s are 10 means our minute hand is on 2. Okay. So it is 3 o'clock and 10 minutes. Now the second time is 6 o'clock and 40 minutes. So 6 o'clock is already 6 o'clock, and after 6 o'clock 40 minutes pass means the hour hand comes between 6 and 7. So here we have to show hour hand between 6 and 7 and 40 minutes. So we have to speak table of 5. 5 8s are 40. So we have to show their 40 minutes minute hand on 8. Then 4 o'clock and 45 minutes. So after 4 o'clock 45 minutes passed means the hour hand does not remain only on 4. It comes between 4 and 5. So hour hand we have to show between 4 and 5. Okay. See this way. And minute hand 45 minutes we have to show. So 5 nines are 45 means minute hand should be on 9. So dear students, can you solve these 3 examples by yourselves? Yes. Now question number 3. Tell the time from the following clock. Here clock is given to us. Hands are also given to us and we have to read the time and write in box. See the first clock. Hour hand is on 4 and minute hand is on 12. That means it is 4 o'clock. 4 no minute means here we have to put to 0. Okay. Then this one is hour hand is between 6 and 7 means it is 6 o'clock and after 6 o'clock some minutes passed. Okay. So here we have to write 6 o'clock and how many minutes passed? So minute hand is on 10. Minute hand is on 10 means 5 tens are 50 minutes passed. So we have to write it 6:50. Then third number, hour hand is on 8 and minute hand is on 12. So it shows us 8 o'clock. No minute, only 8 o'clock. Then here hour hand is between 2 and 3 means it is already 2 o'clock. And after 2 o'clock some minutes pass. So we will see how many minutes. Minute hand is on 4. So we have to speak table of 5 till 4. So 5 4s are 20. That means 2 o'clock. And how many minutes pass? 20 minutes. It is 2:20. Then here our hand is between 5 and 6. So already it is 5 o'clock, and after 5 o'clock how many minutes passed? So minute hand is on 5. Speak table of 5 till 5. 5 5s are 25. So it is 5 o'clock and 25 minutes. Then see here, our hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 12. When minute hand is on 12, you have to see the number of our hand which is shows us the time. Okay, so our hand is on 10. That means it is 10 o'clock. Now number 7. Our hand is between 1 and 2. That means it is already 1 o'clock. Okay, so here we have to write 1 o'clock. Now we have to see how many minutes passed after 1 o'clock. So see, minute hand is on 6. So we have to speak table of 5 till 6. 5 6 are 30 means 30 minutes passed. So it is 1 o'clock and 30 minutes. Then number 8. Our hand is between 3 and 4. It did not reach on 4. It is between 3 and 4. That means it is already 3 o'clock. So at our place we have to write 3. Now we have to see how many minutes pass. So for that we have to see the minute hand, and minute hand is on 7. So speak table of 5 till 7. So 5 7s are 35. That means 35 minutes passed after 3 o'clock. It is called 3:35. Then number 9. See, we can see that our hand is between 2 and 3. Okay, that means it is already it is already 2 o'clock, and after 2 o'clock some minutes pass. So in our side we write 2 o'clock. Now we see how many minutes after 2 o'clock. So our minute hand is on 3. So speak table of 5 till 3. 5 3s are 15. So 2 o'clock and 15 minutes. Okay. So dear students, on page number 48, 3 clocks are given to you. You have to see them and write the time in boxes. So today we have seen question number 1, 2 and 3. All students write these 3 questions in your workbook. Till that, goodbye.